Today we're featuring a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze LT. It's got 39,000 miles on it. It's silver ice metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax 2-owner vehicle. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape over here. There's a small nick in the paint right there on the body line on the driver's side. All right, real minor. Just a few little nicks here on the entry point back here on the back bumper, and you usually see a lot of that with people getting luggage in and out of the cars, but really minor stuff. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything here looks really good too. And let's see, just a couple places I wanted to show you on the hood. Small chip in the paint there and there. All of those were minor paint chips, okay? But they're asking $12,800 for this thing. It's a 2 LT. It's got all the bells and whistles you want. It's a fair price, $12,800. Let's take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels. Nice cloth insert there. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have black leather seating. Power driver seat. Driver seat's in really good shape. No issues whatsoever. Does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat looks good. Alright, no issues there. It is an automatic. It's got your climate control area there, and you see it's got heated seats. AM, FM, CD player. Alright, your display will be right there. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got Bluetooth. Alright, and steering wheel audio controls. They're both there together. And then you got your cruise control on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 39,845 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, I'll go ahead and show you your home page here. And you've got different options you can scroll through, different apps there. Okay, it does not have backup camera. Okay, it does not. Alright, let's see. Let's go ahead and light this up for you. It already is, but you got your AM, FM, CD there. Once again, your climate control there. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather's in good shape. No problems back here at all. I mean, not even hardly a wrinkle in the leather. No tears or rips. I mean, this leather's in awesome shape. Cup holders there. Alright, for a 2014, 39,000 miles on it. Alright, give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. Let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space. Alright, carpet looks good. Got your spare wheel back there. Alright, but I'll step to the side. You can really see the depth there of how much space you do have. Plenty of room. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, 17-inch alloys. Alright, brand new set of tires. You can still see the writing on them there. Alright, once again guys, a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze 2 LT. Heated seats, alloys, black leather. I mean, it's got all the bells and whistles. It's got a couple little paint chips on it, but other than that, this thing's in perfect condition. They're only asking $12,800 for it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.